Hi my dear loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a different kind of video, which is a DIY video. And for the DIY we'll be needing some apps. The first one would be the Pinterest mobile app. In the Pinterest app we'll have to search for the light painting templates. From there you will get different kinds of templates to choose from. And you can choose whatever you fancy. But if you are like me, you will choose something more cutesy. So I typed cute bedroom cartoon and found some adorable pictures, and I like the first one with cats. So I downloaded the image, and I also downloaded some other pictures that you guys will get to see later. After that, we'll be needing our second app, which is Image Size. I've downloaded it from the Google Play Store app. The thing about this app is that it can resize any picture you have. So I put the picture that I have downloaded and set the width and height according to my photo frame, which is 4 inch and 6 inch. Then I save the picture to that size. The third app that we'll be needing is the Pixart app. So inside this app, we'll just have to edit our picture into 3 different parts. The first part is not necessary, so you guys don't have to do it. I just did it because it made the pictures look more vibrant, which I really liked. The second part is the shadow and the black part of the picture, and to make it we'll just have to select the picture again and then go to the effect option and select the colors, in which you will find the black and the white option. You can just save it or do the extra things that I have done over here. So I'm just making the black part more prominent by making it dark using the brush tool inside the draw option. But I'm saying it again, you don't have to do all of these things. The third and the last part of our picture is the front picture that our photo frame is gonna have. So firstly we'll have to select the effect option. Inside the effect option there is the option name artistic. That's the option we'll be needing. You can also do some adjustments to this picture like I'm doing over here, and that's it. We are done editing our 3 pictures. Now I am saving this picture to my gallery. Now I am resizing my other picture that I have selected. The thing that we should remember is that if your photo frame is a portrait style photo frame, then you will have to select a portrait style picture. And when you are resizing your picture, make sure that you are putting the size that was in your frame, and also print out the same size like shown over here. After I have saved and edited the pictures, these are the 6 pictures that we'll be ending up with. 3 from the first picture and 3 from the second one. So that was how I prepped my pictures, and now we're gonna be starting the DIY process. So this is my original picture, and we have the shadow part of the picture and also the front part of the picture, and we'll have to cut all of it. This is one of the pictures that we are gonna be testing. I have printed another picture, and this is the second picture. So here's the 3 part of this picture. So for the first picture, I have to cut out all the white parts of it with this exact knife. So this is the cutout that I have done. Don't mind me guys, this is a very bad example of a cutout. So the next thing we have to do is put all of this paper at the same place and cut it. So let's just do it. So here is how it looks after I have cut all of the 3 pieces out. So the shadow part is looking kinda rough, but not to worry, we just have to stick it. So I'll just have to stick this over here like this. So let's just do that. So this is how it's looking after I have applied the glue. Now I'll just have to spread it out. So I'm back with my picture, and I have stick the shadow part behind it, and nobody is going to talk about the fact that I have done it very poorly. I'm sure that you guys can do it much better than me. So now we'll just have to put the pictures beside me, and we'll be needing a photo frame, and we just have to open this right up, and we'll have to put the white part at the end because this is how it would be. And then we'll have to put the colored part, and then we will put it aside because we have to do one more thing, which is set up the light for it. And now I'm gonna be sticking this up. So after putting the lights on, we'll just have to take the photo frame and put the black and white picture, and after that we'll have to put the colored picture. This will be our color, and then we'll just have to put the back part. This is the final look of our canvas. The picture is really cute, I must say, and if I turn it on, it will look something like this. So let's just turn the light off. So this is the look you will get. My camera is not that good, so I can't really focus it, but it's really cute, and I will take some pictures with it. So this is how my finished product looks, and I'm really happy about it, and it's made with a lot of love. So I'm really proud of it, but let's see how it looks with the cow picture. Wow, that's so pretty, but it looks even prettier with the lights out. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Oh my goodness, that's mesmerizing. So that was the DIY part of the video. Now is the surprise unboxing time. We are going to be unboxing a store-bought light painting table lamp like the one I made. So let's just start it. This is our table lamp, guys. As you guys can see, it says cartoon night light. So let's just see what we have here. There are 3 colors to choose from, and obviously I choose the purple one because of the teddy. So let's just open it. Here is our lamp, and it comes with a USB cable. As you guys can see, you can charge this lamp. Next, I'm just unraveling it. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable and tiny. And here's the charging port. And yeah, let's just light it up. The first mode is the white light, and the second mode is the yellow light. And off. Let's see a close-up of it. Here's the teddy. Next, the yellow light. And lastly, my very own light painting. It's beautiful. I hope you guys like this DIY project of mine too, and I really tried it to make it as easy as it could be so that you guys could make it yourself. So yeah, I hope you guys really like my video. If you guys like my video, please do give a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. If you guys try this DIY project with me, you can just let me know in the comment box down below. If you guys like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and those who have subscribed to my channel, I love you guys. This little community that we are creating, I'm loving every bit of it. I will be giving you guys better content every month. I'm trying my best, you guys. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.